Hello everyone, I am Mary Rose Antiquina Lara
And I am Joel Azarcon
from the campus headliner. So today we are here at Southern Lady State University main campus.
to interview random students about their expectations regarding the University Intramurals Met 2024.
Come on, let's go. Good day sir, what's your name and which team are you?
I am James Basida and my team is Flaming Sparrow.
Good morning. My name is Kevin Otoan and my team is Flaming Sparrow. Let's go!
And which team are you?
My name is Carol Baldres and I'm in a team of Herculean Dragons.
And I'm Janelle C. Padicio, and I'm also team in Herculean Dragon.
I'm Princess Tina Ol from Medics.
You.
I'm GCJ Lagas from First
And
Phoenix.
which team are you?
First Phoenix and my name is Jan Arnold Calamba from BIT Drafting.
Expectations in this year's University Intramurals Met.
And I hope that I will enjoy the moment, the event, and I hope nga ma-jam-jam na mo ang mga friends or mga team, and I hope nga walay ma-injured within this intramurals.
My expectation is that it's gonna be it's a fun and enjoyable event, and it would be ug maayo ang panahon. There's a good, thankfully, like kay gahapon kay murag maambon man to na uwan-uwan. Thankfully, thank God that karon it's a good day, no? So hopefully nga mag-enjoy tang tanan sa karon nga event.
Yes, thank you sir.
First expectation is it would be interesting, fun, and another part sa memories diri sa SLCU. And also, another expectation is full attendance tayo nagkuan whole week.
My expectation also is be a full attendance sa tanan mga activities sa salisyo. Then enjoyable, ma-enjoy.
Intramurals Met.
So, my expectation is kanang memorable jud ni nga kanang entrams kay mas daghan ang sports then 1 week sad ba. So, kanang amo lang ikuan unta is kanang wala kayo'y mga casualties nga mahitabo so that happy ra ang tanan.
I expect this intramurals is to be fun and memorable this intramural this year.
Thank you sir.
My expectation, total third year naman koron, mag-expect ko nga mas ahong i-enjoy karon nga intramurals kay last year naman ning among kuan ron. Karon nga year dapat atong i-enjoy labi na sa mga first year. So kailangan i-enjoy jud dapat.